Hi everyone, welcome to Mechanics of Music. My name is Caitlin and we are here on our first 30 lessons on the ukulele journey. Today we are going to learn the C major scale. If you've already learned this scale on another instrument, that is awesome. We're going to learn it on the ukulele. If you've never even heard of such a thing, that's totally fine too. We're going to uncover it all today. So grab your uke, make sure it's in tune, and let's get started. So the C major scale. A scale is a collection of notes that go together. You can think about it like a family. Everyone in the family has their specific role and their specific personality. So we've got maybe your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, the cat, the dog, the grandma, the grandpa. And they all kind of do something different in the scale. And we can spend ages talking about scales and music and theory and all kinds of stuff. But for today, we're going to keep it pretty simple and we're just going to learn what it sounds like and how we can play it on the ukulele in two different spots. So what I want you to do is download the PDF that goes with this lesson so you can follow along. On this document, we have the notes on the staff and we also have the tab. So since we've been learning how to read music, you can read the notes or you can just follow along with the tab. Both are the exact same and they both sound great. So the C major scale, and we love talking about the key of C in music theory because there's no sharps, there's no flats. It's very nice and tidy and beautiful. So we're going to start there. And the ukulele is very friendly to the key of C. And that's why we love our C chord. So we're going to start with the tab there and we're going to play the C string to start. That's our first note. So our 7 notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then back to C. So our first note is C on the C string, then we go to D, which is the 2nd fret of the C string. Next note is E, which is our open E string. F will be our 1st fret of the E string. G is the 3rd fret. A is the open A string, and then B, the 2nd fret, and C is the 3rd fret. Let's try that all together. One by one. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Let's try going back down, starting with C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Awesome. Awesome job. Now, what can you do with the C major scale? You can do lots with the C major scale. You can start to write melodies and songs and solos and improvise and all kinds of stuff. What we want to do to start is we just want to get really familiar with that sound of the C major scale. I want you to play this scale backwards and forwards and inside out. A few great tips to practice. Number 1 is say the note as you play it. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Then go backwards. You'll get really good at saying the musical alphabet backwards. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Now you can also try singing the note as you play it. So, C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Back down. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Amazing work, you guys. Then I want you to try things like don't look at your notes and try to play it just by memory. So memorize it. Then you can try with your eyes closed. Let your fingers, they're getting to know where the frets are, how far away they are. And then with your eyes closed, if you do hear the buzzing or the dead note, then you know you have to adjust. Open your eyes, see what happened. So let's try it. Awesome. You can also play it, maybe pluck the note 2 times. That's something fun to do. The next thing we can do is actually there's another spot we can play the C major scale on the ukulele. We're going to start this time on this C up here. This will be our lowest note rather than our highest note. So that's a C. If we go, and this scale will be only on the A string. So we're going to start on the 3rd fret, C, then we go to the 5th fret, D, 7th fret, E, 8th fret, F, 10th fret, G, 12th fret, A, 14th fret, B, if you have 14 frets, and then 15th fret is the C. Let's go again. 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Let's go back down. 15, 14, 12, 10, 8, 7, 5, 3. So it sounds kind of the same, but now we hear that it's really high compared to down here. Now the other thing you can do to practice this scale is kind of just go up and down in no particular order. So I guess you're starting to improvise at this point. And this is just be creative. Just maybe start on any note of the scale. Start on F. It kind of sounds random, but then as soon as you start to repeat some things, it'll sound like a song. So it kind of didn't sound like anything, but I was just getting used to that C major scale, the notes and the sound and the feeling of those notes under my fingers. So experiment and just once again have fun, you guys. Get that sound in your ear, get it under your fingers so you can go up and down and inside out without thinking about it a lot. That's where we're going to leave it for today with the C major scale. I'm going to include a couple more tabs that are fun to just practice if you're a bit more advanced, going up and down the C major scale, and otherwise just have some fun with it. Keep having fun, you guys. That is the main reason I get out of bed in the morning, is so that I can inspire people to have fun and to learn something new and just feel good about themselves. So you guys keep watching these videos. Remember to like the video and subscribe, maybe share it with one of your ukulele pals, and I will see you in the next lesson, okay?